Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and awkward silence. Okay, so you mix this with this, it says like that. But I mean, I still don't know what this is. Let me cut it. With the small knife though. I don't even know what this is. It doesn't even say in here. Ugh. Let me just eat it and find out. I still don't know what it is. I mean, it tastes sweet and sour. The outside is sour, but the inside is sweet, and that's all. You know, we probably should place some windows here. What is it, guys? Did you see outside? Oh gosh, it's really cold in here. Why are you watching this? What is it even called? I don't know, but I like it. Okay, well, I'm gonna go check the weather. Oh my goodness, it's snowing. And why is everything shaking? I can barely even get my phone out of here. Okay, so it looks like the weather is, let's see. On the weather, it says a snowstorm? What? Why? We literally live in California. I know, but according to the shaking and the weather, a snowstorm will hit in about an hour. An hour or less. Okay, everybody just calm down. Maybe the weather will change. Breaking news. A snowstorm is coming in 5 minutes. The weather changed. It used to be an hour or two, but now it is 5 minutes. I repeat, 5 minutes. Please stay sheltered. Maybe I should have got my phone with me. That is all we have to say. It's so cold in here. Find any heaters. Or turn the fire on. Okay. It's so loud. I know, and it's so shaky. Is our house shaking? No, it's just because we're over here. Maybe we should go where there isn't any windows, like over here. No, it's still cold. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just go upstairs. Even the elevator is cold. Okay, it's warmer up here, but it's still snowing really hard. I'll just close the curtains. How about this one? It's still freezing. How about on the second floor? Okay, how about over here? An owl room? Yeah, and there is this box of my stuff. Well, not my stuff, but when I'm going on walks. Okay. Let me just close the elevator or shut the window. Okay, it's way better. But maybe I should just put something here. There, now it's blocking all of the snow. There's a lot of banning because of the snowstorm. Maybe I should get something. Get what? There we go. Okay, come over here. Okay. Everybody just hold a candle. Okay, we'll have to stay in the twins' room until the snowstorm is over. But I'm tired. We're all tired, okay? Wait. Okay, so I guess these will have to do for now. Okay. So twins, you get to sleep on those. Really? Have your candles next to you. Okay. Okay, and since we're bigger, we don't really need this one. So, because that there's this right here, I'll go right here, I'll go right here, and I'll go right here. Okay, so now we just sleep. Got caught in here too. Now what do we do? Just hold your candles. Okay. Okay, so obviously that didn't work. Now what do we do? I mean, there is a cabin where it gets the most snowstorms. Like, that's gonna help. But I mean, maybe that was too close, so it brought on over here to California. Are you serious? I'm so cold. Well, I mean, do we have any winter clothes? No, of course not. California is not winter. Keep me warm. You named your cat Fatty because it was fat? Yeah, of course I did. Okay, but I'm still freezing. Wait a second. There's something on here. Something's buzzing. I think it's this. Or maybe this. Anyways, it's gonna be really small, so we might not all see. In 5 hours, the snowstorm will stop. 5 hours, 5 hours. Oh, 5 hours? It'll be nighttime. It's already almost nighttime. No, it's not. How do you know? On the tablet, it only says 5 o'clock. Exactly. And what's 5 plus 5? 10. But we go to sleep at 7, so... Oh. Yeah. Anyways, what do we do until then? I mean, there's literally nothing to do during a snowstorm. Maybe we can just sleep. It's not snowing anymore.